Hey everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor and welcome to my week 4 review video for mobile game design, term 1506. So this is the last week of the class. We are continuing on the application that we started in week 1. And just to go through the requirements for this week, I needed to create a splash screen, which I have, a main menu. I also have the main menu, and on that main menu I have UI for playing the game, for loading credits, and for loading the game instructions. Also, I created an app icon. As you can see right here, this is the app icon for the game. It's called Balloon Shooter. So let me load it up without further ado, and then I'll go through the rubrics in conjunction with the game. So you open the game, there is a splash screen right there. Just shows you my name, copyright, and the logo for the game. And this is the main menu. I can play the game right here by clicking on this label or load credits and instructions. So I'll show you credits and instructions first. This week I'm running on the iPhone 6. Last week I demoed on the iPad. Those are the two devices that I'm testing for. So I'll just show you that it still works on both. So this is the credits right here. I got the title, all the my sprites and audio files that are in the game. If you click on that screen, it takes you back to the main menu, and then you can click on instructions, and then instructions are right here centered in the screen. It's not too fancy or not too complicated, just a text, because the game, all you have to do is just click and it shoots pretty much. So this is my instructions, and again, click on it to go back to the main menu. If you click on the play game, then it takes you to the game scene, and it works just like it did last week. There was nothing too different in here. So that's pretty much the game. I just incorporated the requirements for this week. So just to go over for the review video right here, what did you find most valuable this week? I think since this week is a lot of rehashing of what we learned last week, it's good to reinforce what we actually did, and I did find that pretty valuable. And then same along that same line, what was most challenging? It wasn't too difficult of a challenge because it's just reinforcing what we did last week. So that wasn't too complicated to achieve. What would you have done differently if you could? I am honestly not that much into gaming, so I'm not really interested in creating games, but the ease of using Sprite Kit and the information that's out there, makes it seem pretty interesting. So what I would have done differently, I would probably have implemented more gaming stuff to make it, more appealing to be an actual game. But I mean, that's not where my interest lies, so I'm just meeting the requirements right now. A few things that could use more clarification. This week, there wasn't too many of that. Everything was pretty straightforward. As I said, it's a reinforcement of last week, so I had fun doing this week's project. But anyway, my name is Shawn Batchelor. Thank you very much for watching my week 4 video for MGD term 1506.